This is for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. We're working on It's Only a Paper Moon. We're building a solo on this song. We're eventually going to get up to doing more of a chord solo, but right now we're improvising over the chords. And we have a 8 measure solo. The chords are G for 2 beats, E minor 7 for 2 beats, A minor for 2 beats, D7, 2 beats, A minor, 2 beats, D7, 2 beats, G for 4 beats. So what we're going to do is a block chord technique with our right hand, playing more than one string at the same time. So I'm moving over the sound hole here. Just to ease into this, we're just going to pluck the A string and the E string, the 2 bottom strings. We're just going to pluck them together on the beat for each chord. So starting with the G, it's going to look like this. G, E minor 7, A minor, D7, A minor, D7, G. Just plucking on the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's pluck the bottom 3 strings. So it'll be the C string, E, and A. I've got a little drum going here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna slow that down just a little bit. We are under tempo. Let's try that one more time. 2, 3, 4. I'm just resting my thumb on the G string. I think I plucked it a couple times, but I'm concentrating on the bottom 3 strings here. So this is enough of a contrast from how we're strumming this with a Latin flavor here, an island strum. We're doing this song as more of a Latin feel rather than a swing. So we've already creating contrast with doing this block chord thing. Let's try it one more time. 2, 3, 4. But it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. So we have that transition from this finger-picking technique to strumming and singing. It's taking a little bit of bandwidth to get all that straight. So now we're grounding ourselves in just plucking on the beat. Now we can get artistic and change up the rhythm of it. So let me give you an example. We have a G, E minor, A minor. So I added a little rhythmic interest here. I went 1, 2, 3, 4, ba, ba, ba. It kind of mimics the melody. Da, 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 da. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. G, E minor, A minor, D7. So the A minor is to a D7 and a rest. Try it. 2, 3, 4. So you see how we used the same technique, but we changed up the rhythm. As long as you stay in the pocket, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're good. Let's try it with the drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. But it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. and get comfortable with that, and then see where else your fingers can lead you as long as you're staying in the pocket. Let me give you an example. 2, 3, 4. I don't know what my fingers were doing, but they were doing it. And I was relying on that drum to keep me in the pocket. Now, one more thing you can think about is adding another note to the motif in our left hand. And I would add it on the A minor and the D7. So let me show you. We've got our G. Now A minor. The note we can add to fancy it up is a B note. It is on the A string, the second fret. There it is. And we can use that same note to fancy up the next chord, which is D7. So here's an idea. It's another idea. Oops. Let me see where else my fingers are going to lead. Here we go. Let's do it again. Let's try it again. Block chord with the right hand and just experimenting with the different rhythmic patterns that we can do with these chords. Have fun.